Hi, this is Sebastian, KB0TTL with BridgeCom Systems. So you're sick and tired of competing for your local repeaters resources, and you want to use all of your talk groups all of the time and on demand without waiting for somebody else. So you bought a hotspot. That's what I did. I don't like competing with my signal. I like to just be able to key up and get on. But you also have your neighbors who are hams, and you want to keep them off your hotspot. You want it personal. Here's how to privatize that hotspot. Here's how to go in and make it so only your radio with your DMR ID accesses your hotspot. Let's get started. All right, so we've determined that the IP address of this particular SkyBridge is going to be 192.168.2.79. We've looked this up in our router table, and that's what our Pi-Star device was showing as. So that is our SkyBridge. So we're going to go ahead and access that. We're going to go ahead and access our configuration window. Sometimes it'll go ahead and ask you for a username and password at this point. Username is going to be Pi-Star, that's Pi-STAR, and the password is just Raspberry. Sometimes, not all the time, it'll ask you for that to get to this screen that we're seeing here, which is the Pi-Star digital voice configuration. I'm going to scroll down. All right, so we have our public setting and our private setting. Public setting is what I have this set to. If I was to key in with my DMR ID, or if a friend was to key in with their DMR ID, it'd make no difference. Their call would go through. My SkyBridge would essentially act as if it was a mini repeater. Then supposing though, I wanted to have this set up so only I could key in with one of my radios using my ID. What would I do? I would go ahead and I would select that for private. Then I would hit apply changes. Upon booting back up, only I would be able to access my hotspot with my radio. And that is precisely how some of you would want to do that, which is the purpose of today's video. But for my purposes, I have friends over. We all use our radios on the hotspot, so I'm going to leave that set to public. And there we have it. Today we went through how to set up your SkyBridge in private mode. If you'd like to get one of these, or if you'd like some more information on them, click the link below. If you'd like to see more content like what you've seen today, click the subscribe button in your lower left-hand corner. Again, this is Sebastian, KB0TTL, N73.